Looking for a power-packed home workout? Have you ever considered kickboxing cardio? This dynamic workout can help you burn calories, build strength, and improve your overall fitness, all from the comfort of your own home. Kickboxing cardio combines martial arts techniques with heart-pumping cardio, offering a high-energy workout that guarantees burning calories and fat. This workout is a blend of intense kickboxing moves, all designed to engage the whole body and increase heart rate. Ready to get started? First, warm up with some light jogging on the spot. Keep the pace easy and the movements loose. Spend about 5 minutes on this, increasing the intensity gradually. Next, move on to jab punches. Stand with your left foot forward, hands up in a guard position. Extend your left hand straight out in a quick punching motion. Return to guard and repeat. Do this for 1 minute before switching sides. Now let's add some cross punches. From your guard position, punch diagonally across your body, using your right hand if your left foot is forward, and vice versa. Do 1 minute on each side. Add in some uppercuts next. From guard, bend your knees slightly and punch upward as if aiming for an opponent's chin. Again, do this for 1 minute on each side. Now time for kicks. Start with front kicks. Stand in your guard position and kick forward with your left leg, then your right. Spend 1 minute on this. Next, try some side kicks. Stand with your left side facing an imaginary opponent. Lift your right knee and kick out to the side. Do this for 1 minute, then switch sides. Finish your workout with some cool down stretches. Spend about 5 minutes stretching out your legs, arms, and back. So, to summarize this power-packed home workout, start with a 5-minute warm-up of light jogging. Next, spend 1 minute each on jab punches, cross punches, and uppercuts, remembering to switch sides. Move on to front kicks and side kicks, again spending 1 minute on each side. Finally, cool down with 5 minutes of stretching. So, there you have it. A simple yet effective kickboxing cardio workout you can do in your own living room. It's a great way to get your heart rate up, burn calories, and work your entire body, all without needing any special equipment. Remember, the key to any workout is consistency. Make this a part of your regular fitness routine and you'll start to see improvements in your strength, endurance, and overall fitness in no time. Keep moving, keep sweating, and most importantly, have fun with it. Fitness is not just a task to check off your to-do list, it's a lifestyle. Embrace it.